Today I will be showing you how to get vent repair in wait, dang it, what's the name again? I think it's the new one, the TPRR FNAF. It's something FNAF, but here's how you do it. So first, you go to FNAF 2. Oh my god, my mouse is off. Oh, dang it. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, let's try this now. There we go. Just do whatever you want. Don't do whatever you want. It doesn't really matter what kind of server you want to go in. Just go in one. So I'm just going to pick standard server. Five years later. Still not there. I need a webcam. I seriously need a webcam. This is gonna take longer than I thought. Okay, it doesn't matter what character you are, but it doesn't really matter, so you can just pick whatever character you want. My favorite character is honestly a Spring Bounty. Okay, so here's what you gotta do. So find the nearest vent, but not really actually. So you have to find the thing. No, you have to find a vent in the office. You have to go to this vent and go. If you're an animatronic, I advise pressing crawl before you go in a vent. Oh, great. No, it's just easier to do this, I guess. Okay, great. My thing's glitched. Wait, no, I just pulled it down. Here we go. Okay, so you go into this vent, and you go these ways. Okay, I can't move. And you go in this black tile. And I already gotten this, so it's not going to appear on my screen. And you go to this like little thing, and once you're inside, you like get the badge. You get the badge and money. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Goodbye.